Finally, today was 23rd October 2024, 2025. Actually, it was good. And to the best suspense, I got one subscriber. The person who subscribed to this channel, I can definitely say that I'm grateful, eternally grateful for you. And oh, you've been able to do such an amazing thing. You've been able to learn something better. And this was my tutor. And you can able to just message me so that I can able to understand what type of course and relevant topics that you need that I need to explain for you. And in the Notion, uh, I need to set certain things. Just by API because this was the thing. I think I have completed this thing. Uh, API scope and setting up projects, etc. I have done that. Implementation of burn endpoints also I have done that. And authentication validation I have done that. Yes, I have done that. Testing and these things I need to do. So testing documentation and what and unit test integrations, set up CD pipeline, makers, yeah. Okay. I think I just need to add something. The Firebase Studios very fun. I have started learning Scrimba. If you need a detailed explanation to become a full stack definitely uh, suggest you to learn this Scrimba full stack. There he has been implemented very nice things. And the founder of this course was this Carlin, uh, this person, founder of Ah, this person pay a report, but he has invented this question because why? I definitely say that. And I wish you also just need to learn from this person. And that's it, I think so. I don't hope anything better. Learning things makes difference. There are also a new courses. So just go to this Grimba and then add something. And the step A plan, I think we just need to change that. At last, from today, I think so. We just need to go to um, step A resource sheet, introduction to a flag PDF. No, so the sixth is JSON identification. I have done this project, and you should be able to know in past video. And I started to learn the HTML4, although it make me no sense, but still, I still believe something. I I thought I was doing that. After this semester, we are going to full way. So that's it. Thank you.